Mejebre, me babe sum me mango kwapaman. Babe sum apoeman tem na ne kese pa no. Etimi aka o mangana. Obi biara wajebre na on ye di dwumadi abom ne nso. Bi se Nyankopɔn enhyira wa mempene da. Abuja nsɛm ne dɔɔso. Sɛne da biara. Eguso koso na nene ana eye finance minister Dr. Amin Eko Mrashebegwem na ode eye mid-year budget no kwato gwa abusia nsem bebre na apue fuma ba nsem bebre omanyi sika wode bu omanyi ni sane ne emasifa akono ene won akoka ho yasem bebre Amen ode ka say Nyankopon ya adoma 2025 a ebesimi road tolls a ye fi ho and yes ye ngatwa road tolls mu ye road tolls fi ho na ye bie yi levia no ane ma ye ntimi koje ebosia enemre ye de bobra wo man Ghana ha me no ka say empanfo si da bi road tolls no yi fi ho na nya de eboa Enti Nyankopon ya adoma afefoforo eba besimi 2025 what the road tolls ne babak na ye ngatimi atua road tolls no anya skadi abu man no mid-year budget ni munsem ebi na ebusia miguso amede to wani me no nira ye di nkomo wo kasa firi so young executive of the SDA Church. Nira ye ni won kasai. Ngoma ye ti ase. Wo se one panyimfo e de communicate bia ba beto abonten. Se afia ba ye ba beto no ebesi memeneda on the 7th of December 2024 memeneda na ebesi. Enti one to aba no ebisa memeneda de SDA for eye won homeda onye hwe. Me no ka say enne the young executives of the SDA Church once what the press release bi aba beto abonten won ama one payifo no 72 hours was a one free electoral commission animanim ya na one country electoral commission say aba no say esimemene da no wontimi nto dia and na special voting e be so on the 2nd of December no SDA payifo no momodin no one electoral commission of Ghana one negotiations one kika one team mom, one kika one semum say beye nank wodi SDA church members nyina beto aye 2nd December battle no special voting so ka special voting aye for aye media personnel and affair security personnel and nipa bia sada na ye beto aba no wo beye adwuma pa ntia wonya bere nkoto aba no anka aye for those people but me no ka say esansa akosi memene da ntino the young executive of the SDA Church, you know, what they are about to go. What's a 1 man paying for 3 days, 72 hours? One more than one track on to one for electoral commission. No one country and say, what person what to abandon BDR on the 2nd of December? One more who can want to abandon. You better be about them more. After a rotational nurses and midwives association, what in Sambia about to go. Was still now one day one sa entiminka allowance near allowance no one sanka one day after financial clearance I wasn't ketimi koso nanka one wutimi to one so no so entimin koso ya busia I no say na ye bejebre na ye nga bawuram na ensem bi ewom no yetimi dia ba bedemo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the former president and flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress NDC Amayoku no what in Sambia ba betugwa abusia Ose Ghana fo nyina nsoro waka wonka wontoma mano na wonhwe nim se dachi na wokomu no ebeye dachi a ehyeren dachi ani da so wom dachi emu ye de dachi ye kama dachi anyuma beba na nipa bebre anya sika gu wonkotokum na wode abo wombra flybearer de ma NDC amanyoku no John Dramani Mahama ana ode sensem yi ababetugwa a Japan messe and so the Intembia Babatugwa. Ose National Cathedral no was in one new baby a foundation and up to now. What? It is you can now come a foundation or the atto. One country will be as a West Cathedral every year. Name a foundation and will go so away. It's Ghana for Yaba Tremfamon. Honorable Matthew Opoku Prempeh. Abusia the same about to go. O se bra na oye energy minister. Say ono ye running mate de ma flybearer. Eye MPP Amanyoku no Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia ne running mate. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh Honorable. Dodo no twa tia e friend Napo Nanapoku. O se energy ministry obede nim se opahini no. Wonim se wabɔ adwuma yie pa se wo hwɛ nansen nanka dum so ana dum siesie bi anka ba ogina ne nan so ototo niema a me ne wo kasa yi light nyina timi aye stable na bibi agu so kɔ so kama no de ɛne na ɔbɛbɔ ne ho aba so se wabɛbɔ adwuma wababa gire ne ho yie aye adwuma de ama Ghana as energy minister. Nira yedi hun komo ba afena semino kra sorry before 5 days ansana the former finance minister obefi a year office Nira ana a Honorable Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa a member of parliament they ma Northton constituency or the same bi gun krata asokoma OSP special prosecutor no can in some general say before ansana former finance minister Ken Oforiatta Honorable ansana obefi office no 5 days before or approve sika $34.9 million at the man company be say one fan ko spare pass in my ambulance Gano $34.9 million and a former finance minister Ken Oforiatta before ansana abenbe reshuffle na His Excellency the President of the Republic Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo where you know every year ni jumedi odi as finance minister national Samuel Okujeto Ablakwa say document and nsake kita ne kire say Ken Oforiatta Honorable or approve a deal be a year $34 million, $34.9 million. The mark company be so one fan toss papers and fancy a year ambulance. Martin Kwegbunsu in Zambia Baba to go Abusia. Ose Sabri obi enim sa ho kira ba Ghana fo obi enim. Nemom nenso wonga woto wade no wonga fabro nya ho wo wen kokwa. If so kwata de nasa de ye 5 cedi a oba no aba beton no 20 cedis. If so obi aka o aho kira ba sese pressure wo msike ni krom wototo niema so. Enti so odungran odukofo odua odu adoso okofa banche gari ene eburo mu na odiko ba bi opeso okoton wa. Enti nka eburo wakonya ne 5 cedi no oba na nka ode ne kakra bi beto so ne da bi ne wa double price ne be 4 or 5 no ton o se wo yesa wo buya no man gusu na yeden o se wo yesa wo ton ade na se wo yesa kai na hu se wo nso wo bua o se ana oman emugusu yeden pa akosoro o se nka wo to no 5 cedi ana wo te wo lorry fedi fim wo te wo niam ba ko mienu bi na fe wo de keka ho ekodu be 10 ana 15 bi kura nkeye na so ebi mark fan 5 cedi wo ba obetima aton be 25 free Ghana Martin Kwebu se no ka ho no man no gusu a emu yeden pa no o se Gano His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic and flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia Abuso de nsem bia ba betugwa o se Nyankopon ye na dom na obetim be fro Ghana banya yi se omampanyini dia ene na o hye Ghana football o ka kire Ghana fo no wate se wonne bere so no wo betima to smartphone wo betua bosumi bia 1 Ghana cedi kwapem time abetima atu awie Dr. Bawumia no de sense me aba betugwa o se Nyankopon ya dom na oba bedi Ghana omampanyini ya smartphone be up on the companies are where your phones no be din komakasa wo be yen hyehyai wo de niam bi begu akwam se wo bomodin na wokọ wo wura ebia Samsung wo wura ba yi phone shop bia Gano se maba me pe sa phone yi o se bosumi bia enya de a wo betua hi bia ye 1 Ghana cedi Kopem tama abetu ye. Enti afi mu ni nyina no 12 cities. No what you to say. His Excellency the Vice President, Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, and all the semi atugwa. Ghana National Association of Teachers. Many who can say they. One deputy education minister, one year per cry. If we say one laptops be a banyi, yes, or better check the teachers from what's the one teacher is a cracker. One got two teachers for Niska. Teachers for Nisi, a banyi till one sika, so Obama on laptops. Beppe one teacher, one laptop project, no. Ebi manya one day, but masses no so nya one day. It's many workers say not a Ghana National Association of Teachers. One way for year pa. I want a year education ministry no. And yeah, go to Abusia. And that you better won't come over here. Speaker of Parliament, Aban Usman Bagben. Abusia in Sambia Babatugwa. What's a say on who the number of judges what's a watena a Supreme Court? Kamea say the number of judges are ye packet ya ko Supreme Court no ano ya yeding. Or per se Parliament watena sa asemi so no one who the actual number what's a judges are watena asem so was Supreme Court. If you say Kamea say judges ni ya do so do. The normal number that one say a yabroso. It is asemi or person rashebe gwem watena say one wash a mra mayen woman ganmu. Enti wobetena se no wahwe sa asem na aka say I was say 13 11 9 15 and the Supreme Court no wodi asem a na won fan 2 year pepepe se ne baiba ebeye na obi biara obeba betena so man panyini no obehunu sampa Supreme Court de emra ya shat one say was judges 13 na wo ho and judges 9 and judges 7 na fe bibia timi koyie Meno ka say sit tag phone so was strike a teacher fuku ba kon so no was strike de abusia a enye egori sabri ye beko ahama no so na fe yakwakodi eye enkomo kakra ye ne eye SDA for young executives one chairman ye ne be kwakodi enkomo na fe ye hu won nsema wode ba no ne ewom me ba cho wonya na ahama no so ara okay hello good evening okay Mr. Ba good evening
hello
Mr. Ba cho me nka
hello
me back me throw back
hello
me sure ba cho me throw back me ba cho momo wode na mon try na ma me na afi yenye won kiremu a wode eba no say young executive of SDA wode aba tugwa we say one man one paying for 72 hours one for electoral commission na afi one enye hihye na nka be ya special voting won't me vote be Mr. Ba ye mo wakwa ba de ba Okuma radio 97.2 ekropo kwapem
me chamu so na me damo ati papa pa ojuma pa mo ye de mo man Ghana
la nyumre umpom tiden
ye won ye papa na mo so de
nyankopon adaroma ahoden wo ho okay yanko ya sam so nra ye di nkomo na eye SDM panyefo de mo press release beto abontin say abato na esimemene dande there's no way a mo betimi ato aba ye na okasa ma akere say ampa won akasa moje sa asem na to because we ye mo mpanyefo na emom aye ankrankro individual preferences obi pese okoto a obekwa akoto na emom wo kire na asotwe bi wo ho so no so ye wa wasema but a young executive of SDA sorry no masan de ababa to go mo say mo ma mo mpanyefo 72 hours one fair electoral commission not one can say special voting no one fa monto so na monto sa ba bi sa se mi ba jo bo enjemu kakra
me da mo papa se mama yen kwan se yen su yen fe na yen timi enche ye yen semu Jana ye kan say ye giant penny for no ase. Say bra ye den kasa ba ye say ye pese hu omo jinabia position of the church say ye beto abano anase ento. Na ntem na no omo de response to ebre ye. Ye do mo papa na ye bo mo abaso say omo tie ye nsemo. Na de ye kan say omo position mu de ba ye ni say asafo no ye de ye homeda no ye de 7 December to ye homeda no ho a ebo ebra enya de e betumi amakwan ama memendani akoto aba no na ye che say there is another alternative a ye mpenifo no betumi afa so a eno no e betumi aboa ye ma memenda kwansefo ye betumi afo aba no ebie and it's a special voting. Now special voting no na ye say ye mpenifo no say omone letter committee nkotena se no omone ne enkasa sene ebe ya anya se kwa no ometuma convention ama a special voting omode yen aka ho so na ye to so mo pen na down for kwado ebra akọ ye Valley University ye school so apon mu no odi to bia se memenda for yen fem yen faba no yen to ye to for asre no na ya se ne se best no on fa na ntumu bi sene ebe ya special voting no yen se betini omode yen ebeka ho sawan so na mbate de dwafo na nditi ni MPC amanyuko no to ye to ta se omo komison for mo ntumu bi.
Okay, Mr. Ma, special voting see 2nd of December. Media people and security personnel and other officials are that to abano we very busy na once we be adwuma na anything na ma want to know say mompanyfo yi frɛ wotie musufrɛ na wo frɛ yisi na yisi catch na wo se dabi won timi fa mon to so a then na young executive of SDA mo be
no na ebe ya papa na online say electoral commission ma ya tia say situation so dicey say am den kra mo timi fa ye nka ho so mo chechi mu sa ma ya tia dia enye na ye wo kwan bia e de faso a individual na memese ne betumi ato aba no but omo nche mu on the brain ne fast mu omo akwanye bia so mo ne be ka special voting no dia enye na menu presenter ye young executive the debate here boto na yakọ Ghana pana nyina be me na ko na ye ni o ma ko kasa se aban mo bia ntini na yiti lie mu se o kwa to aba e bi se hu so o to aba ni be twi ti lie mu na ye do comment ni fo eni ti de kan che on le so mo ma explanation a say o mo ye hia enye ye dia ye be piasie ye untampa ye beni koniku anamo nchu no na enwie mu edi eno sa no ye be piasie na se ye go by ye beni podia abre yen anaso mo dia ama yen intimate to aba no na mo me be ya ankran ni dia ene enwo so edu a ye unim kwan ye be fa so a ye be pesi be to anase ye nto.
Okay, Mr. Ba say ekoba ne say ne wo kan won anya ntuma na wo say enye yie ma won fa SDA fum ento special voting so na edu so mpanyefo so gina won anem say abano ma obi a oye SDA ni nkonkoto na so obi kokoto a eyade a obetime gina saade ne so na won abo nipa na sen wa sorry ma na wode asotwe bi a na yeden dia ma obi a oye memene de ni obeto aba afi Saturday nana.
I say that's me I say who are so the me say membo adwama say we hu membo adwama okugbo na yehu a na asapo ne de ball kokko na ya so no me piti a na etu wase e bi say we boni a asompu no fo no be kasa o me ball kokko no mo ball kokko a no mo sa so na fedie I say a brosco a ho no mo be fa aso ne mra no mo tu wase e fiti a na etu wase eni ti say ya ka se me nkoto aba no etia eye hwehwe no obi be kwa koto ohu na obefre na boni kokko na wahu na so ntutu tsa ni boni kokko bia eni ti no na meka no wo nkwase de eni bi mo akaka mo aka se abane pa de me homeda na nya jom be kwa koto be kan ha de ye salve takrami godo na be kwa koto homeda no
Sabri young executives SDA yina why na chairman edi ama won SD asori ku na nkasa ti o sabiri ne ekoso nyina no afutu sembe na wo a anan krashe sembe na wo a wo be ka kire won
ye kan say ye chai beni futi ye beni fo ye domo ye bumo ye de ni de kese na ema mo ye ntetia mo ni mu de biara da mo mo nteme me da kwanjofo ye to aba fi 1992 aba betwem sabri ye betre ye betre ye beni fo mo ntra na mo ton kono mo ni yisi nkasa na ye de mpa bo ka ho a ye wo gidi say it betie ye no amaya kwan na to a special vote ni say be ya me da konhwani ba biara betimi ato aba na kresampa ye mamba pa ni so sho man mu a ye ntutu na bebre ye chitu da hospital ni no ma wo bebre eni ti e be sere ye peni fonti ye tawo mochi ye de pa bottle mochi omo nko onimu no mo ni isi bokase ni wo gidi se o weapon so something na mebo young executives ye bo ma baso adwuma mo ye ni nyina mu no mo ma ye stay calm ni en se de peni fo no ebeye atore ma o meda ena ade no akwesi saa no peni fo tu anamo mo nya abotwe na ye se de peni fo no ebeye ye beti bia no we dey ateda be ma onyankopon
Mr. Ma anka mi jawo mo akwani but mo 72 hours or timotima amodi ama mpanyin no mati wonka won setimi aka nkrata matwura ma won message ama pass no mati wonka na den na won so waka fa ho
omo enti wo mo kan ye na ye odi se ye nkrata ndi omo nzaka ye nkrata no na enti omo kan se tu ne nda na ye de ma wo mo enti hwe be ye hwete Thursday Thursday and Wednesday ye nsabit na aka interview omo ya ntehwensi omo send ye kan no ye be testimony so ye reche.
Okay Mr. Isaac ma ye better was be say oje bre na on ye di nkomo yi anyway
yen so da mas papa say mama ya kwenya na ya change so mo
that's it bye okay abusia Mr. Isaac Ba chairman de my young executives of SDA Church and I would say odin chirimu ba no abatu ya eba so December 7th and one semana ye guso aye di hu nkomo esememene da ti memene da mpanyefo asori mpanyefo ni sedabe home dade wonye hwe nti nyade aba no obetima to bi young executives no so aye what wo se won so one right chese wotimi to aba ni mobi eyi omampanyini eyi member of parliament eyi obi biara wo pese woyin no wo bedi won so no wo pese wo bomodin na nka wotimi exercise bi enti campaign for momodin na fe woni electoral commission of Ghana enkasa eni nkomo na nka wo betimi aye bibi di afa ho a won abomodin na nka won atimi aye sa magic ne di ama won na won atimi ato aba ne bi te yeguso a ye hwe ye bedi sa asem ye chi se what one pen fun ka bibi e ba kosi biara no ye be ma etiefo mahu na afa mahu se nyankopon yadom a afi ajefu betima ato aba ne bi ana wontimi nto na me ba a na me be fa stories ne ba ko a finance minister Ken Ofori Atta honorable $34.9 million contractor or sign ye no de ma company bi say one more thing mfan to spare parts and ambulance abuja spare parts ye de sheka ho $34.9 million abuja atoda bia nsem bi say ebeto gwa na yemu biti sa mi ame ho obrempon no kware ni na my very disappointed. If it's a cameo, yes, sir. Abanya bako. Way ba no wababe di. Way ba no wababe ye. Many what he has a CA, you know. And this for one reso. Maslock, Paina no dano, Sedinam Tamaklu. Ya jeli ni 10 years wa manga na muha wa berekwa kantamanto ejato stosum na wa mami over 710 million Ghana cedis. What the man was in kafako kwa chichema wanga wo stosum nanke jato one shops muno anka won so wontimi nya sika foforo mfa mobra mami ati America sesi amena wo de ka sei e wo Ghana won ageli ne 10 years san niemai ebeko so akosi da aben abusia yanka hama no so na yene eye Audu Razak Isifu ye PRO di ma Rotational Nurses and Midwives Association enkonkodin komo Audu ye mo akwa bade ba Okuma Radio 97.2 Ekropo Akwapem. Hello Audu. Me ba jo mon check line no emfa mama bio na mon frɛ no mama. Abuja Sedinam Temaklo Matchlock. Mene uka se owa America. Won ageli ni 10 years. Ewo man Ghana oti America o live large. Sika wodi man nyina na busia sika na anko. Wa ma obi biara 1 Ghana city. Mami first kan nyina. Mi adi nke nim sanka mo abadai. Yen san kwa homa no so na yen kwa nkodi nkomo. Awdu mba cha otemi gafe.
Hello.
Awdu good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba cho na mbo mu jiden.
Oh, nyame na do me ho ye.
Ye de Nyankopon ase. Rotational Nurses and Midwives Association. Den na ekoso sesia mamo. Boye nkyeremu kakra wo mo press release amode ba beto abonjin ni mo.
Yo, edinka meda wasene akwanya wo de awame. Na me de encha so nko de akwama watifu na eya nokwa the Rotational Nurses and Midwives na ye start a rotation e okuta won sabosome e wo afi atwam num na ye start your service na emfe apem so your service na ba beti awie abra yenya ye allowance wo se nya fi aban ho no mfa chase no ye start rotation na ya bona na so ebesi nne ye nsa entimi enka ye allowance ama ye ba bewie ayikwa ma omo di echi so abeye 2 months a omo nso no omo so enya ketua no nti na ama ye disappear so di so di aba bunten
mo share asene mo adwuma ase no how many years and how many months ni
12 months ni
na mo allowance no ebi aba anase bi ma kra da
ebi my kra ye dem just a clearance on my clearance and sana allowance na ba clearance so no mo fa my nti ama yenya emu bia
sese empanfo ben na mo ne won wadi nkomo aka mo hawa e ha mo kire mo na den na won aka kire mo
yo emsa shate no ye fiti en service na se no ewo opepon busumen na ye de enkaibo kata sa ko emse de nkata edi ka de ko apomudin aso ye apomudin no so na se de ko ni anya emu ai bia mfi omo ho enti ye de enkaibo kata bi bre de akọ atu na mo akọ aso ye ho na emse opepon ni de to so aduasa ena ye press release eno so ya anti omo nka nti amana nso ho a na se na yetie ye chita for na esu na eba na anu ohie ye de nanka ye hwa ni musenka ombetima tie nanka anye bia koro mom ye hu ye sika sem no abra mo dama se ne be ya yo se ba abonten betimi ene ye achita for no akasa mo hu de ekum na yatimi ahye omo nkran na ye be kai a omo di enu no omu ba ko esen ho akonfo e wo sa allowance ya ho esan se na sika ne ma nti wo sa ho che wo kom nti wo wie akata o twedi to ache omo ko hu ne se ne ho kire no nti nya de a obitima tena wiase e ma no hwere ne nkwanti ne ye hye ye members ne nkwan se ne be ya obi an so nkonkwa sa suicide na se bi etisa no na ye bo mo se nka anye bi akoko mbe bi ehu se bi a emre se na ye di musika no be de be ma mo ne se ye bombo mo a anye ye nti na osun no ano ehye nti oforiso ne da to so dunsia e na ye ko nkran monten so e ko ye oye kire na oye kire no ye de nkata de kokko aso ye bebre edi nkan ye de bi de ko emresha pejafie ye de bi ko aso ye a ehwe apomuden so a ye Ministry of Health ene sadi bi so sta ko aso ye a ehwe kasem so a ye Ministry of Finance nanso ye ko omboy abrebe be ko bia ne kesa ko ya no ho ba efiro ko ye di akiri a be si ne nanso ye nya emu afa bia mpromo da bia no fa eno mo boy.
And says Rotational Nurses and Midwives. Then na mo be because I come here say afi ba ko ni amo share adwuma se bepi me financial clearance mu nyan mo allowance kra ba ko kra ma mpanyufo a wosen ko work bi ma mo mudu wo bi a story. Then na a woman in mo next line of action then.
Yo sisi ya wie rotation na de ya ne say ya form one yet ma wie rotation yi
na ebi nso aka nsensɛn mu ɔmo ntumi nkɔ fie ɛsan sɛ hospitals na ɛtwɛn sɛ financial clearance bɛba sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo bɛyɛ afili form bi ɛfɛ no IPPD forms na ɛfili saa forms no wie a na ɔmo agye nkrataa a ɛka ho na ɔmo sa de akɔ ministry no hɔ ansa na yɛkatua no yɛde aba na ɛsan sɛ clearance na ɛma yɛ nti obi awie rotation rotation nso yɛ nso nyɛ baabi a wɔpɛ na yɛde wokɔto yɛde atoto nkuro bebree obi pɛ sɛ wokɔ n'akyi nso yɛ sɛ wontumi nkɔ n'akyi wokɔ akyi ne ya ne sɛ ɛba agye sɛ ɔsa afo kasa fi kwantenten ansa na wode nkrataa aba ansa na wabɛfele saa IPPD forms no enti ama akɔyɛ ahokyɛ ɛsɛ so ebi nso dan so ayɛ den asoso ayɛ wɔ sɛ nka ɔmo sa renew na ɛsɛ sika bɛn na ɔmo de bɛba akɔyɛ sa den deɛ yɛkasa tiawa ne sɛ yɛma aban no na wɔtwe mmienu ɛm sɛ akakakra kwa na wɔtwe atwam deɛ sɛ aka bɛyɛ na wɔtwe ne ɛna kakra bi ɛna ɛde yɛnim sɛ eduro ne sɛ yɛanya financial clearance na deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ne sɛ agya yɛmfie wɔ etue nti yɛde ministry of health ɛna ɛbɛyɛ yɛmfie
eti na wɔtwe abien 14 days ana mode ama aban ne sɛ aban no mante ne nka ɛne na rotational nurses and midwives mu nyinaa mo bɛ paake mo nneɛma na makɔ akɔda ministry of health saa na wɔka ni
saa pɛpɛpɛ ɛm sɛ na wɔtwe kɔ yɛ atwa mu anasa nti ɛkyɛ sɛ aka na wɔtwe ne nna kakraa bi ɛsan sɛ okuada ayɛ atwa mu no ɛna yɛyɛ wɔyɛ kyerɛ no anyame ado wɔkyɛn na wɔtwe nti wɔkyena na wɔtwe pɛpɛpɛ na aka na wɔtwe
na da mo bi a mo bɛ kɔ akɔda ministry of health wodwene sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ no de mpanyinfo bɛhu ana wo betiem ana data wo behu sɛ mo ani ambere na afɛ musika akam no wɔde ama mana
ɛsan sɛ agya sɛ yɛmfie wurafo ɛtuɛ akɔyɛ ɛnsin bebree a yɛn no mo te adoanwa so de nene ebi fi sɛ bi a scanner na wo pɛ so betua wo dan aso ade nti na wo pɛ so betua wa bi rotation ade nti na wo kɔ fie wo nso wo nkrata anya mai a ɔbɛyɛ ansa na wakɔ fie nti ne kyɛ sɛ agya ɛhɔ na yɛde bɛdɛrɛ yɛsan sɛ yɛtwa ho baabi a ɛnyɛ yie nti na yɛde ministry of health ɔbɛda ne yɛmfie no
okay sɛsɛ amena wode ka sɛ rotational nurses and midwives bebree tiew bebree akoma wɔ soro bebree ebuafu ebi sɛ wɔn sika ana wɔn allowance ɛmai wode wano ba wie yi den afutu sɛm den asɛm na wɔka kyerɛ wɔn
yo afutu sɛm de bɛma yɛn kyitafo nyinaa ne sɛ ɛgya sɛ yɛama aban no na wɔtwe mi no sɛ na wɔtwe atwam enti ɔmo nya abotrɛ nkɔpem sɛ na wɔtwe no a ɛda anim no nso ɛbɛsa asi nti ɛfiri ɔkɔ no na yɛho anamɔ yɛde bɛtoa so
okay Mr. Audi yɛbɛdɛ wase bebree sɛ wogye bere na ɔne yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛna anwummerɛ yi okay abusua Mr. Arudu Razak Isifu ɛyɛ PRO de ma rotational nurses and midwives association ana mene no ɛyɛ ɛdi nkɔmmɔ no na ɔkyerɛm o se afe baako ni 12 months wɔde wɔn to so rotational nurses sɛ wɔn kwankɔ yɛ adwuma baabi wɔ hɔ koraa wɔde wɔn kɔ a wɔn pɛ nanso ɛyɛ adwuma na ɛde wakɔ nti wobɛyɛ ne dɛn bi ma kɔ deep koraa akɔ yɛ adwuma mene o ka sɛ one time aso one contract wɔde ma wɔn aso bɛpem nɛ one financial clearance mai 1 day koraa ni hɔ a wɔn allowance atumi aba wɔ 12 months no mu 1 month koraa wɔn nsa nka yɛ amene o ka sɛ wɔtete nkurɔfoɔ afim wɔntumi ntua ka ana yɛpɛ sɛ yɛtu wɔn nti no wɔn ama aban na wɔtwe abien pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ wo sɛ edu so na sɛ wɔn te aban ne nka yɛ ɛne na wɔbɛsesa wɔn nneɛma wɔ baabi a wɔtu wɔn no na afei wɔn atumi akɔ ɛyɛ ministry of health wɔbɛkɔ akɔda hɔ ebisɛ sɛ wɔni baabi a wɔda wɔni baabi a wɔte kɔm de wɔn nneɛma ɛkɔ so wɔn abrabɔ mu no ɛnyɛ ma wɔn awudu na wɔte sɛ abusua mene ne di nkɔmɔ no yɛn to a yɛn nkɔmɔ no so deɛ a na me wɔ ɛyɛ sɛde na mtam akoro so abusua eti sɛ na me kan ne maame yi da so wɔ America abrɔkyiman mu a wɔ Ghana yɛn adi n'asɛm awie sɛ sika na wafa no nkɔnkɔ afiase mfidu mene wo kasa yi maame yi ti America a odi sama yɛba MPP abayi mu nso a from NDC din yɛba MPP abayi mu nso a yɛbɛdi kan afa former sanitation minister Honorable Cecilia Abinadapa abanyi tam $43 million the man se onko no venkoko ti odo na gota ovenko tim abujan bacho ti ensem ni ye $43 million se yemfenti gatam e wo circle Achi, I want some by bebre. You know what man Ghana yate.
Okumanderu.
Your Ghana yate. After the $43 million was given to her, Sika ye kwahu wone denmu. Sika ni made fu wiya won wo. Ye woman mi yete. Ni aya ne say, we fini post so, wa kwa kwatena fie. Before answer finance minister, immediate past finance minister, Ken Oforiatta Honorable Ebefi Abengmu, or signed deal $34.9 million. Osi enfem ko to spare pass. Enfem meye ambulance. Muye juma abusia. Ambulance ni ya he. Ambulance. His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Echedima all the constituencies. Our Ghana ha, one constituency, one ambulance. Echedima yang abusia eyahi ana yengayi $34.9 million. Say yemfa no nkuyan to spare pass. Emfa me hyehyɛ yi. Eye spare pass ben. Ana ye ka ho asem abusia. Spare pass ben kuan.
Okumanderu, okuyapeman, epie mantem, ene Ghana anidaso.
Abusia nti ye be koso mbanfo, mo be koso ne madi yenhwam wo man Ghana mu ana.
Okuyapeman, epie mantem, ene Ghana anidaso.
Mo be koso di yenhwam mo wo man Ghana yim. Enti se kokko ba hwe. Tuntum ba ka. Anyi fa na Ghana fomfa won gidi nko bieu. Anyi fa na man Ghana won fa won tin wura bieu. Se wo hwehwe ka nifu a wo betimi aboya na nko man Ghana afa ne ntama pa bi ni wafira. Mbai fo mon kan kira yen. Den ni yenye bieu, nyina ni yemfa tomi ni nsa ne nsa. Aye pesami nkuminya. Obia betena ko nwane so ya ne obedi on ne abusuafo on ne mfefo. Whom do you know? Ana ekoso. Then na me kan we asem say, when was the last time wunya forms, security forms at our banks as usual? When was the last time? So person ko police, o person ko army, person ko immigration, person ko fire service. When was the last time we had forms, security forms, at our banks, at our post office? Baby, I know what Jawa ye kokoto. Nanki ye tumi kobidu. Na uko nye bito wawa. Eya ne ekosi den. Ya ye ne slot. Yenga chichama MPs, ministers, ahimfo. Ane kita wong. Entini wo faase bi ni nua bi na adamfo bi ne mpena bi eba bi abaso ko soja abaso ko police jefa command nonko enti won ankasa security service adwuma no won akomam a wo pese wo de won krato na nko wo bo man yi ho ban no bebre ni enya kwankom oni sika oni MP oni MC oni mohene onim president. Sana ye oman Ghana mu a. Hina na wonnim n. Kan kire me yanko. Ti wan kase wo pese wo ya adwuma no. Ko UK. Wo de wa no ko boss ke wo UK mem. Se wo pese wo ko police. Wo pese wo ko soldier. Every 3 days wo besuma nkrofo ba besrawo. Or you said you wanted to join the army. You wanted to join the police force. We here to check you up. When are you coming? If it's a sad human day, and can you crack now the tour abo bang dia mauman? The two bangs and the joe, Tama Ukofia Quaquadan, not please for Bobaria or Quanglum. Uchamo. And no crowd would me send fool. Or maybe ideas of Mama traffic actually. And so, Jinaho. Abo Mubang. Or the nick cran out to war, so joining security forces are a yaw crack. And now the Atuama woman. So what the crab a buffering, ube woo, dear J woman. I was here, no son can ye chase canan yakomwa. And no son can ye briber. And no son can ye slaughter sama. Mijjo be only mobia, only panibia will chrome house. Makoto forms any obrepong, wanga from your police. On from a term says Yanamenja. Wabrekwa endorsement to be any so. Then I'm what to among ma or a yaw, sir. Gabriel obi ni mobio. Tia neme brune ni dasu ya kwentu. Onya Kuwait obeko, onya Dubai obeko, onya Qatar obeko. Odi onko paper glass onkeke. Owa ni dasu danse obetina mangana mu. Owa ni dasu. Ne ye benada 23rd. And you may ubenya brea witemin can no bet me for airport akohwe departure. Kona kohwe departure nipa dodoa efio mangana mu. Aye dan. Dan nesi. Aye boni bank pa na Ghana fuya ya. Enti abiri bia yede ye ni da so kwa ha ni ye nsem ehwan. Yede ye ngidi to ha na apang. Se deng ni yenye. Ne rami ye program. Ko se be nyina ni pe frai emufa o se NDCO, MPPO ye ngabre. Ne waka. Ana MPPO, NDCO ye ngabre. Minim sa obabre. Minim sa obabre. Ye nyina ya bre. Yen nyina yabre yen hyase nwene yen ho wode sere wo beba wode ahobrase beba boko se ne da wo yenen na won saka tumi ni wia ana obehu suban anka se tirimu politicians mudi yenhwam ogrom adodo mudi yenhwam dodo obie ni wa ochiri fo wasemba kodo dabi hina no kuta de pa na obi se opaman Banima mo yeyen timamufu na mu ye yaw dodo. Obon se sika bi ahwie gu adocho millions of dollars we ahwie gu adocho enso mo won fa $2 ento fuel so wo betu mo mangana mo won fa $1 ento fuel so wo betum sesiye dem boni ni aye Abusia. Ayo Okuman Radio 97.1. Okuman Dewuru ana wasugusu a utie na abusia yebo na yenga kan sedi etepepepe. Miri di enke obrempong jumadi mina midi ho chiamen. Yedan ye ho aba na afedi aka nyina no yedi aba besomo.
El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai.
Hello, this is Frank Edu Asare, your anchor on the show Praise Zone on Common Radio 97.1. On the show, we serve you with carefully selected and Holy Spirit-ful songs to encourage, motivate, and set you in prayer. On Praise Zone, we have a segment for testimony at Dansi Diebre. Dengno Nyame Ayama, come and share with others. Also on the segment, we have kids Bible quizzes, kids memory verse recitals, kids key Bible readings. Remember, this program will be live on our Facebook and YouTube channel. You also have the chance to send in messages, to call into the program, and to request a song for a loved one. Why don't you join us to praise God together on every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Yenshia na yentrontro nyame yennanase na oye na nadoi ewo hoda. Why ye bia mayenshia every Sunday from 6 to 8 p.m. See you there.
El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai. Age to age, you're still the same by the power of
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye tie for ye pa ne senti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nwumekwa wo se. Sa wo pese ye bo ne ma wo dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo ye sofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa no live ewo Okuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema wo ne hia ne se wo be freying ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano hype lyrics on the beat.
Okuma in the room. Okuma in the room.
Okuma in the room. Okuyapi man.
Niamu pese munu enu nemu yi. Niamu pese motinu enu namasugushi. Niamu pese munu enu nemu yi. Niamu pese motinu enu namasugushi. Yensho. Yebe una say. Yensho. Yebe una say. Antiso say ya bonting no nim say ni dua ho funtu nwasa mata twene mane ho abasem rasta bie na no kasem papa we say we di atem from go to Ghana still ye ni mana ya one person di economy oh why Ghana osaje for the papa me kuruma me ma dem fedie unyuma pa na we na ka ye to me wie rasta la yaka telecom aka ECG aka sugar factory naka made in Ghana goods na ya de China bo ho pa o man na Japan dem pay ni for be the tele kwa ye wo gold ye wo diamond and silver ni nara ayekwa fango na yetu wo men ni mo hye ayekwa tete kwashi me ma udamiri fedie the founder of cocoa in Ghana munyuma bana mo ya na ayaka ya mo pese munu enu na mu yi nia mo pese motenu enu na masugushi nia mo pese munu enu na mu yi nia mo pese motenu enu na masugushi yensho yebe una say Yensho.
Okuma in the room.
Okuma in the room. Okuyapi man. Epie man. Eni Ghana ida so.
Yebe una ye freedom me ya brada tradam we ye freedom ni bradam aya wo no kwasida inti wuta me atumuda opete so nya nam kese anko bewe na so be rosu no wi no keka wo awon nese inti munya ya numdwa se wo so makwase yese.
Okay abusia bi afei na do kasa firi no ato ha hi Okuman Radio 97.1 Okuman Dawuru ana wasugusu wutie no midin de enke obere ponjumadi me na midi ho chiame sabri de Groenland Pub full joint wo se men kan kire wo se enkwan papa de okwapeman krom ha de won no ye eba ne nkita abe nkate ebunabunu chese nkwan bi a wo hwehwede adi fufu banku omutuo akpene those local foods no de one pe if you say okwapeman mu said the what day a mountain dune song a chechere okwapeman no won akokro ni nyina so akohwe obia ni favorite soup ope nti udu Groenland Pub and full joint a wo won kwan mako dune song 17 nti kai na hu se udu wa ne e wo pa nyina no ubetimi anyadi ma oho atimi ato yie pa kama me se wo ahwerase akuapem flower pot junction udu ha bomoden na bowura ho na kwakodidi uwia freme na damase bomoden na frɛ won ɛwɔ numbers yi so na afei nkyeremu bi a wopɛ no wɔn fɛ no mo sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ order kora na wobɛtumi ayɛ na wɔn deliver ɛde ama 0242 271 735 0242 271 735 na afei wontimi ma wo aduan pa di na oho ntimi ntɔ pa nanake ewo Lata Junction minia michia pa mjidi se bibia boko de nyankopon enhyira na onka ho abusia sabri de mpanfo a meni won bedi nkomo nne won aba be kam nsa ewo fidua imo yemomoden emmompin ho na afi yenhye yenkomo dinase convision
minia
na oho den enyumre yi
Yesu adom se Yehowa tiasi wan de be ma yen ho popo
me wabo white nkunim dibi abana
me catch say every day me catch say me a constituency organizer. Moreover, no, my call into politics. Now, you cannot force human being to vote for you, but confidently can tell you that John Dramani Mahama and a Prince Henry Inimuedu, Nyamiad Wamo winning election is spiritual.
It was a confusion, and I was saying, or your constituency organizer, Edema NDC, Ewa Okre, no, sign member of the communication team. Or Abunyante.
Minya.
Na on today.
Oh, Radiadom. Only young Dini, papa. Oh, a Christo.
Abani ye.
Abang the say ye. Abang the ye, papa. And I'm really thrilled by Adam Beto me Dex.
I did also.
Already. Nyamiadom constituency. Boko.
Wow.
Okrefo. Eda okumang ase. In fact, Mada Romantino. Near Kosu Okre. Ghana for Nena Ubia Etibi.
Nice one.
It's as usual. There's peace, there's harmony, there's joy in Okre.
Nice one.
And he just about Okra, they say, young Kwan, wo go to fourth coat. Fourth coat.
Okre.
I tell you.
Oh, wow.
Fourth coat. Where do I go?
First,
and
second.
Where do me chrome? Fourth coat. First, second, third, fourth.
Fourth coat.
So who be that?
I know what go.
Edugrom. And no, now we've hit the ground. And then, young parliamentary candidate, Honorable Daniel Kenneth, or your community engagement. Now, me come here, there was a men pay ame a little more. Maybe I can pay. The chief of the Nana Asare Achia Henry III. Or your declaration be, and it's simple. Osi, se me she impuntunjuma a erekoso e o me mantemu abre MPP e baso eni MPP etesoa eye wa ne ekọ abatoa hina na obeka se won to abama no
honorable me da say meba ho me ba chawo yes na yemre na ebebuti abusia honorable Samuel Nyante eye okay MPP Constituency Research and Elections Director say Eastern Regional communication team member brilliant na wasa yetimi bo modena ye fro ye hye ye nkomodi na se enne ententem pa honorable Nyante me sha se de afi wo ho enne finance minister Dr. Amid call Mrashibigwem no the mid-year budget call to gua uhu sene okeka ne nsem na ohye ne nsem a se na uhu sene niema se na osomufa
menu amedase mechia okuman atiefo ne ahweso nyina na ese Ghana fo boy abaso aneti na America sa nipa ni bi wo mayi mu a one na mpo anwen se bosumi kura beto ye mpo afi 2024 mpo na nka beto ye
adendi
wo se oman no ebe crash oman no bedan abutu nipa na oman ni mu nyina be hye isan se oman no aiden ejija na we admitted say we are in economic crisis and situation aye wo nyina wo mu no enye normal inte be sre Ghana force ye somara o ma dawroma se won ni ho a yensu ye ni ho yen na esom won enye won na esom yen inte ye somara won kaye won moyen wa uje Kristo di bompai eboayen wa uje kremo di bompai eboayen wa ugunsa na uje enu di bompai eboayen na emfa enchichiri krono na ampa Ghana fu ye eyi emayen enjisi abedum pempensu na oman no enjija na oman ankrashe na nyame adom niama ereko senia yepeno impo enye sa eni epese ekono namo is better than before, especially from 2020 bana Christo eni edanase etiminia niame wokan se ayinyum na yetume rade dane dan nyina erade na ese danase esan se wa ma yenim engwase da because e kamia ye say covid no e ba ma enkrofo bi enti na wo bompa empo say covid mra nanso erade a onim ne made o say oha no ebeba asochin ebeba nanso nya gidi wo mi Kristo mu dia me de ubetwa epokoko no. And indeed God has been so grateful to us and our boy ho bang and onye ediniye. So it is the true reflection of what God has done for Mother Ghana and MPP government as a whole.
Okay.
And you know, na me can say I give them kudos. Why are they?
Okay.
Yes, we say Niama will be better. Na Niama are more stabilized. Na Ghana fu akoso nye ni jeni ahotoso any daso a me beto wa hopi ewo yemu, of which it is possible. And you know it is possible. They say 7 December uhume, 8 December uhume, but from 9th and 10th ubehume because me busy. It mean to be ma. But yakaka nyeme nyina abom ni ewie no me ubehume because you know nyame adom. Even though me a elections director, I'm part of the IT committee or region. It's you know you be kind of boom, you kind of boom here. Oh, come here and celebrate. Oh, celebrate with Okuman. Okay. Yeah, Okuman for you na be celebrating. Okay. Na celebration no as a children say. Inuma panto aso. Okay. Inuma pa ento aso. Na Ghana ya yebi. Hwe, Mary Bano bi ka chire mi say, okwa ma Ghana man nyina enti say. MPP munye bibia krampo ya. Motumi ama district bia ambulance baako. Motumi ama district bia ambulance baako. Enye hwe krampa, we can count the number of times ambulance ne baye no life I rescue. Life I rescue. Ambulance. How many districts we have? But we've been able to provide ambulances to 200 and how many districts we have? Ya districts be ambulance. And each renyama MPP area. Yes, it's coming about bottom you. It's coming about bottom. And no chance is it can be wa ya kwatete about bottom. E ye policies in nyama ya de to acquire so. Now it is unfortunate say along the line you be share how and near a radical person on manu to biano offer how mu offer manimu na offer say nyama near I want to say if you can stand, if you can sustain with the storms, any amount of film. Now, to me, Famuna Fimu, ya, I mean, the comedy, and the young Grofo Yira no. You go on Grofo Yira no. Now, the word it is possible, no, Jazzy.
Yo, remember, one of the Niema and the finance minister boss, so a road to Sawong a year if you are 2025, I propose ever back. Ghana, if we say, Dentina was say, what they a road to Samba back if you.
Roto here. In fact, I'm one of the Nkrofo where you roto no na maintain me ho ase papa. But no crazy semni. Abra ye roto no if you na ehun hia. Na ehun hia. Senya be ya Ghana fo ahyenkafo ehun be hia omu kakra. In fact, yenya nkase yari roto efi ho krakra. It was a temporary something because at that time we were in a serious situation. Enti ye ha near the ya kwashe ha ye the kwashe ha near yi we ye fi ha, so we can balance the situation. And indeed, if you've been able to stabilize the economy, if you've put certain measures in good place, why don't you bring it back? At least Rotoba, I know very soon say eba COVID fund wo yen tax no eno so beko na ye koyenim because we need development. Then ye be development ye two and ye be development. One wa kwanga ya ye kwanga Yaya kwan papa, minia. Yaya kwan and yambe digana for bro. This is what I want Ghanaians to understand. Say, yeah, ben ya endis for ye bia adosu to man wase. Why ye kwan fa and why ye kuku afa and wo try no de ba green book say why ya adosu to kuku to usumno. We are not like that oh. Yantis how correct and ne mangwasefo bra wo bre from even Mangwasi to Adosu, just few kilometers, no, 40 cities. Why? Because of a baby basua, what be digging for bro? What digging for bro, papa? Because on the dashboard, if you go to Fida Road and then Koko Road, on the dashboard, that road has been fixed by NDC. So how come one road it will be fixed so many times? Because of a bro, any bayan kofubi. Empe omani yentino hwene mangwase kwan now every mangwase abadoso 40 cities aden because of the deplorable nature na inshanka nyame say very soon that road will be fixed senya late kwan no yere no
medasi honorable nyante medasi convision and finance minister Dr. Amid ako yemrashobigo mo de yem media budget na akwakotuga ensem okokeka ho menim se what bi uso musan
minia medase nyame nshira o se ne amayenkwa na ene nyina ebetia na ebebubo nsem ho na edikan mechia incoming president and then the former president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sani se nipa bia wo nyansa wako school da no nipa bia wo ye badwemba no na uhwe John Mahama na mambu won na uhwe MPP we Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia na mpo ye ba no vice mpo a John Mahama aye vice da na Bawumia bi da Ghana for a compare ne ma wenyina na Ghana for ehun bebenso abedui mechia the incoming president John Dramani Mahama na mechia national executives na mechia ya regional executives na mechia medium small boy danger Mark Oliver Kawo and Miami able boss Honorable Kabori no PR or region na mechia all constituency chairmen ni Miami medium as was a one Eric William Kofi Ayite and a golden boy she boy no a golden boy incoming MP confirmed Prince Henry enim already na nema nyina dead answer say a golden boy Prince Henry enim we winning election spiritually you are finished na ohwe edwuma edato form ayeye ai boba bibia de answer say that be near your message I the command microphone they are buying into it enunti yen kasa bebre no ye guso a ye bojuma yen pese be ye too much confident san so ko ohini bi anim no kasa kirewa ye bebum no kasa kirewa no na e wasa otu ho na mo na odi ye dwuma na ye okre no nobody obi ani ho okre with my say ye Kwame Oredu golden boy papa obi ani ho kasa bia on feeling in some achede da e ba ne mpaibo e ba ne say be chene ma e ba no creation of job no you know create go and find out nobody can say so obi on so no ne ba any edi ne ba as MP no enye agree babedi na as time unfold no we will go into it in corner personal we are going into policies we are telling the people of Okre that 24 good years go to Okre and check you check even you can check 16 years rule 16 years reign of Dangoku Botwe I'm a respectable man and then also copium now usha nipa while living Accra the DC we share the constituency as a whole I have studied I know them we have started we know we share the DC now follow the background we share nipa wa bomb work we don't say that it's not comparable to Prince Henry anymore even currently when it comes to job creation and how we are helping the youth because we have never taken any government money. It's a personal money, it's an inheritance that we are using to fight this fight and we have won we have phone looking at structures. Nothing shows that Prince Henry anymore do own election. I'm telling you, 5:30 on the 7th of December, you carry me live interview where I will declare to you that Prince Henry anymore do have won the election as the MP.
This year?
Yes.
December 7th?
Yes, 2024, 5:30. You call me live, or Imperial will call me live. I will carry it to you. Spiritually,
I'll be in the studio.
Yes, you call me live, and I will tell you that, confirmation. You see, yes, I told you, say, Prince Henry anymore do have won the election. Record it today. You'll be recorded. And I know, say, the good people of Okre will honor it. Young issues, so. What's it about? Finance Minister. Well, Mpacho, sa budget we to need saying. Edin the man. When Azaya. Okoto Azaya. As only mama makoto Azaya we say. As a budget. Year of roads. Year of way. Me budget. Only budget we didn't design. Mid-year budget we find saying. But didn't tell me. No, mention it to me. People have been finance minister for 7 good years. And yet mid-year budget. I'm telling you today. Upa, go on the grounds and find out say, Hello? You go and find out. Mid-year budget review. Now, Papa Nukasembi. Emizena will be off air. Say obey introduce road to. Look at dreamers. People who dream. When they omudi no more confirm na confirm na to a big kuoma. No mba bekasem ke check. I'm asking you today. Why was road to cancelled? Me Bible tell studio I say. They are people who create unemployment. And then so Wunyansa say road to or say baby man. And then on started. When we say a finance minister speak, finance, they look for resources. They reduce our burden. Also buy a house from. They add tax upon taxes. And then budget you media review budget. Then the chair will say, "Sa budget ma your dollar to see the number from." Who they find out? Me man go school ti. I am better question. Anti ono de enye sa 4 months and 3 months to 3 months okay. Enye hwe. Gana from person beti no kra. Hwe sika nsem obobo e wo sika mo asai e wo ne mama ye ho. Agana for break. And now by no president travel no abono abon mani achro. No man penny the private jet ne to kwan mo man. Ye ka se man penny so dware owiem. Now was sewabo ni money pons. Now man penny belandia no otmi aba. Ni pa kwaji loan o kita private jet. No kita sewabo ni sewabo ni no oso no money pons some man penny pie. Ene kai ene ma ene bi ebedi bedui. Ene change of name no dey mind. Kenoforia tempo ay nimu ni say nyansa okutu azaya nyina onumpo anu bebia na nya onu abeka media chain. The Ghana foka ne say e was in budget on my yehu say omati number of ministers so master what man say so that it will reduce our expenditure. No man say the area e be fi or how you ma ene say wo awutemi ene say unya juma America obeko because dollar to cedi no at the same ene de okono uto ne sen uto bidi sen gas uto ne sen e wo man mu yen kwano covenant abeche and the way there obolas minute no agini they make attention and say only very careful with his family. Money by Sinsan Bibia. Who can be obedient to ambulance? Share and then as I speak to you, former deputy finance minister Ato Forsen, ye didn't go court say what to ambulance and me. So Ghana is not this kind of economic gimmick. Dollar to CD. You have Bawumia telling you, we come to this issue, telling you, say, go and debate the exchange rate in 2016 when it was 3 cedis, 40 pesos. When I have a friend who get cars from outside and sell at that time, and now cars konye bintom. Maybe so. And then dollar to CD no, on won't mean debate bim. I'm telling you today, we have people in this country, unemployment rate, the politics. And then under them, compare it. Then who say they no beka? Then they mate, somebody say I'm a mate. And I can do it better than my master. And the finance minister with the honor you didn't buy because of Bawumia. Or the bank, upa check anything, ubohun anything. Check it in. Indeed, the
Dr. Mead.
Oye, Nodna. Achimuni buy. And the official corner also say, let me appoint my finance minister so he can be paying some monies to me. Everything no way yes no. Because in MPP, when the flag bearership change, you can focus your mind back. The person who is the flag bearer act as a president. Go and check. Even if you don't have any idea, check when Kufuor was handed over to Akufo-Addo. Until we money there, you got your Ghana Force. Ghana Force, yeah. Can you say what I say? Budget, you know. I remember to the Konusa about 3 cities, and not 2 cities. I remember fuel price, you know, good for oil. I remember fuel price better, subete. I remember papers, subete. I remember, but we thank God, say they did not introduce additional taxes. Now, okay, say they will bring back 2. Now was someone say we nyamambu awo utifia we badwemba udidi numu nsuo ko toba mano. Sani say de bentin say to back. I osi
commission batch
meba osi ye di levy eba ne to afi wo. Driver ni bia ni wiase ka say be ito afi wo. Me say because shani pe bi wo studio see it ya. Or say, ye never tell ye. Almost a money to a few. Near the levy ba. Say the beya, one for money home, say the bank IMF. And then your IMF, you try levy. Without the two ba. Without the two, babium. Massa, dear can I say, Ghana for, shall me don't. Ghanaians are people, when they are silent, they don't talk. They know what to do. And then if you are see a one, under John Hammer, utopia what I say. And not on the same. And you know to abanu. Or see, you obi say yellow coin. Where's the hospital? Kwame Nkrumah is school sign. Jomama day school was saying. Universities musia him. Anyone will be so. Only must say Miami MP. Then go kuboche. COVID-19 by and ye Mahama hospital ko.
Commission mirasi.
Ati me chow say ye can't obi o badwin ba or di economic issues ba. I think NDC in 2016 this time now kase tekpe every budget we are na dollar to CD wo me bisa was a host na yes na me shiro
me da say honorable Nyante Ghana National Association of Teachers one education minister deputy education minister no enya ntawantawa kakra enam one laptop one teacher and sensema course no hono sase mpacho se wate a osum dem ma me
menu mate na ehwa dwen kakra na de bia meka se yen teacher unions no eto de bia ya me wo haw kakra wo ho ade America sa mpempi no won ta dwen yen teacherfo a wodin anim na the interest no any person kunya no eto de bia edoso isane se yenyina ye wahana minister ebe chirechire mu kwanga laptop no efaso ebai na yetua emufa ena aban so tuafa but eno achi no aban je tu mu se obeboa yen obeson ase no provide ama laptops no what can you see woman ho kwan na one won ebe produce laptops they did so into wajama ma but then na the middleman no and abang but teacher unions no impanyfo no one ehwe dwumedi no to dey be how na interest no na person kuminya no eya doso because ohwe yen dues a what yen and na ohwe teacher for do a ewo oman mu na isanse yen ni kamafo na yen kamafo no crampo no one crampo no as if say we don't have leaders no to dey be how I see they don't have the interest of the teachers. But that's how I see it. That's how I see it. Intino say, ore yade with a good idea. Koi abansu assume na abang ni policy or the reba na adringa or the ama bang no. They say it goes hand in hand. It was a welcome suggestion of the ma bang. Then wait you know. Then they go by. You see, intino. Me huni say just or per se or for kana we be na what they a clear wonding na what attribute to be ma bang.
Okay, would you be 14 if you teacher from paying?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
What's it one for one laptops man 1 year, but since you many they can say abang way egusua all year one student one tablet. Minia.
I didn't know what na say nanza na wezi wakopere one laptop. I didn't. There are so many questions for them to answer. More fucking me dada funu. They have failed us. They should admit that I'm a failure. And be honest with you. Because watch your laptops, you know. Ache. Adenti. Enna. Enya parochial interest. Get into election year. Ansana usi. Oni abang enya intawantawa. Ewa teacher for laptops. Adding. Dita no. What's one adding? And you see, if there's an issue, come and inform the teachers. Yes, hanka a laptop. No. Inform us. Communication is key. I want to understand you. Ultimately, don't take advantage of the elections. Getting to the time of elections. Miswa, and I may say, Obia pesote abanga or chenga collection what. It doesn't make sense, honestly. So when you do that, you deceive your people, you disappoint your people. Okay? Communication is so key. And you know, say teacher for. And now the laptop is our tool. Now, our new curriculum, no, you're afraid be a 21st century class. What do I say? Oh, chabo frana there. I didn't watch abofrano o che reproduction draw reproduction ma abofrano enya the video of adena who say reproduction or a reproductive organ yini video mano non hwe odiazie non hwe ma abofrano kwan na on manipulate device no on fan hwe adekona orechire no otimasie intino say ebanesa na tool ese di adwuma na akem na ene ansa na usoro koka ho asem na if you asem no krapo koka toba say usobu afu you've worked out. Now if you've worked out, how do we get our laptops? If you indeed enye mischief and enye political advantage and our pamobi na me I don't have my laptop, will you work out? So if you work out, no so kwa, how do I get my laptop? So there must be a dialogue. Wherever the problem is, the problem must be fixed. Those who have not received their laptops, they have to receive their laptops. Now if you work out, how do you get the laptop? Now they've not been able to explain to us the reason they worked out.
Ususu say ebia abang bi etai.
Kreka motobi no ya kire yen. Why you crocodile the John kire yen?
The national executives, Ghana national.
Please why you crocodile the John kire yen? Onjaisa. They should bold to communicate to us as teachers. What you say? What many there? You gave the green light. Teachers never requested for laptops. And even that 30% that you try crampo, and teacher unions can even fund the 30%. I'm telling you, calculate the number of teachers. Teachers can even establish bank in this country. Not. We can establish bank. You get it?
You have money.
We have money. We can establish bank. So why? Mokoya ebe ti yenka ho, because only leaders, only yenka samafo. Iti nya obe kano and wodi echi. And teacher fo ain't mean kada cement 30%. Wobeti before obeka jack no want to the doubt. So apparently we crying say remote and we controlling. So whatever niebe ebisi wants to say one nyema teacher for no one negotiate much anyway. They don't even seek even ideas.
A persuasive kind of leadership
from teachers. And for me, it is surprising. In a country where a teacher has no say, in a country where we have sub groups, if I say, it be a local, district, region,
including more laptops, the consultation be amba.
Mimi a teacher ni. I never heard of any consultation. I never. Simple. It's a consultation being put by. The teachers must also have a say. Okay, me per laptop, me per HP, me per Toshiba, me per Lenovo, me per Acer. Nothing. Me per Dell. Nothing. You open way because after all, we are two floors bulldogs. We can't say anything. After all, we are many, but our leaders are few. So they speak on our behalf. It's because they speak on our behalf, no. No pebia no ye. It mean ya Ghana and Africa ne way.
Okay.
Baby. And we have to rise up.
Okay.
Ultimately say because the procurement was bad. And Minister Bechere say abai say anymore. Yen 70% say bit amamo.
Okay.
But as to say the producer and the won't be some leadership.
Medasi. Convision. Ghana National Association of Teachers stage you work out to require one Deputy Education Minister Eddie Shemu says one teacher one laptop no since in battle something.
Medasi mania. Mide manti mi anko suku papa. Me class trainer me drop it out. Na teacher for yankophobia. Omo da makoma so papa. Na otimi hu se MPP ni timete na se na odidi on atem. Na ohwe ND se bakosema. Yankophobia ye value teachers for pa. Ohwe ND sia. Ye value teachers papa. And even currently no teacher ni na running mate. Then the teacher ni ako for presidency da. Here is former president John Evans Fifi Atamas. And the teacher ni be oti bia ni me say ba ni endi se mambua ye woni mu die hu say omo nyansa for teacher for mu nyansa for pa na eba no ministries a ye will be our leading ministries bia teacher ni da ho ni sika kakra wo ho no obi atam se me koto laptop mo se umpeu isi benya laptop mebwa teacher fo sika ka ho ayese bia ban sika wo teacher fo sika obi wo laptop obi dida esi de to laptop mo na ebesi ne ebi nye biye wo kan teacher no ejimi ade na afena opese o yes strike etiaban wo kan teacher fo nde o onu de oye na afena na abeno onu ni sika ne da ho na nka wo de manimpo a wo se wo de laptop man waje unim interest nkanne e ma teacher ni no ana empu onya device ni mpu no de ye adwuma unim fa so benya wan pre hu sokoto wo de sika kosi awowa se me ji laptop man obi nipi omo aka omo ayo majum ko strike ho ama ba no ko negotiation embaye Minia, Shenya Assembly, sir, one teacher, one laptop buy, no. Only me say a current flag bearer, no, for MPP, no. About what I say, or my teacher be one laptop. Na a nisika. And yen then will become studio, Gramamete say, a teacher for Nasika and a Ricotoma. I buy some no yamau, and ne a Yawuti Nusika, and the MPP Nika say, you did talk laptop amount. Now, Bansa Patuakra. Your phone will sit up and say 50 Ghana cedis. I buy say, would you 40, memo 10 cedis, or 40 and ne sinka interest rate one Kahinoya. Master, what must I say? Idea of a mistake of Tomameno. This is a cool, so the mammy. How many years me? You, fancy beer be binting AC. Not for any purpose of the man penny no. Nipa no bachelor what you know. Or no any device nibi. Or so device me command ni students. Master, tell me bizarre no. Wo me sure say. So who come my PTA meeting. Na esi mo mano o mano teacher no che mo ITT no. E bia o ni laptop. Me sure say, wo ba ju laptop my teacher no. No che o bana de. Dan say, wo laptop o bano. Na other go school no ten ni bi. Me ba. Nyasa ene di buman. Anti kinso ba kan ko say, ma me nyasa na buman. Uni bi. Ene teacher for rise here. E say o ma jimi. Miami sikaw man suma fata da me man ka hwan kyerɛw me media ka me binda osim dia ko to laptop ma be so me this sem se be pa o kyɛw hwɛ amambua o pese o breaki 8 o ni se o breaki 8 ay 0 hwɛ 8 o twro na o breaki ay 0. I am telling you so woni ma wo yem bi na wo fia. And two of them about me, and then be Nibia. Because break the 8 in 0. Nipana or no, Baumia or Nami. Or Che Bahama say, if you want debate, go and debate the exchange rate. I can send the virtual beer. When you news. And then, or Che near what dear. No, Nisika. Even the worst is that. A bandwidth is under case. And then, so we share a domestic debt exchange winner, haircut now. They are going on demonstration. Share yen and mama ye jumama and makana. So, Joma home. No one do sika to drew BP, a drew a cancer, said no. And no, son say, I bear for Musika. The Gojilon baby. The ben on the bet at Rentum way at my way. Now one num say break they eat. Now every day they increase number of ministers and judges. With your money. Do you know that currently you man with mono? Say a check on mine a idea also 250 million.
25,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes. So when you check your phone so Jebe bonipa ni aye MPP abambu. Me, I'm privileged say I go for the first state of the nation address. I think it was 17th or 22nd February 2017. Or say Ghana borrow 122 billion. And then ahini ya borrow. Ude bisa won. And then tamo oje abambu no okasano. Dollar to CD na saying after see magic be where good for oil. E buy na FT na good for oil background. Yedi good e ko se wo wa. Aye ton ile ma obuni e Saudi Arabia ni.
Come here next form am pacho.
Bisa who say your fuel price is me bisa ene we dwuma port a dwuma ku. Ene come diga man for. Hwe Ghanaians cannot feed 3 times a day anymore. Na ya kasa teacher for o ma cha de aboka teacher for na ma ni coat kura no uhwa wonhwe yi o se bi do to laptop ma enu kwa nji se ko strike minya teu na nipa wo nam say oye campaign say teacher for enkoto baba no hwe you know one thing I'm very confident say enye because of John Mahama any NDC I'm for any that so mu can be so Ghana
convention das
DT make us and say hwe Ghanaians are waiting for somebody wo ugini Sylvia unu say adwuma no waye bida no beti nyaye enye obi a oye mate
me das Honorable Sitak for one buafu sesi amene de ka se wo strike na baba tuja senka ma wontua wonka especially busumi ma wontua wonka won freeze won salary me no ka se woni abre sa salary ne de obi anhwe na wanko ho na nyare obepene sa se fa so me
it's unfortunate Esemi wo ho a etode bia ne ka no bribi star kakra na yebesre wo star na yebesre wo isan se yenuanom egu school mu a achichefo enchire won ade and the strike have kept long into hwe labor law no mu a onye adwuma bosome a you are not entitled to receive salary them say a clause no na wo pese wo de adwom because strike no ache. So you go on strike and you expect salary, you get it. You know, what service have you rendered? You've not rendered any services. You know,
to get paid, yeah.
We di srane besrewo. Isan say, to de bia near how make a crane say dialogue be wo ho in terms of our salary structure and now say a salary in same one. I think say me and Kase is hard time say the norm bring don nyina ewo ho a ya force enebe boa for our issue to be resolved, you know. It has to be changed kakra because it do political season and organization bia feel say the sentiment, you know, say take advantage na oma abang na eti so obey to me own to me na say oh yeah because so wanya it will go against him. And I don't think say baby I do ewo amanyo same
when so better yes politically motivated and because
but you should know better. You should know no way you guys will be catching. But
one year ma wo pay fi aban ho no den ti na ban enye ma wo na ka wonti mi
menua ade ba ko a esie hu ne say a teacher fo nkrofo bi a MPP aban endi wo ho agoro o hwe a teacher fo won aketua mu nsem ever since MPP ba aban mu from President Kufuor time ebedu yemresi yeni teacher fo edini ye pa even though teachers were asking for more. When you talk of SITAG for now, MPP abang anyway dini papa because it's not more a teacher training college, it is college of education. College of education. Here na a MPP abang. Almost salary structure at say university and what per say it do university status pepe. But abang no enka is all nyema obey. But you see, we are not in normal times. You know, you scratch my back, I scratch your back. The etodebia I say, in as much as abang etin was no, I say woma akumato akuma eboko, so that negotiation will still goes on now to resolve the issue because they should look at Emofrano. Okay, they are losing a lot. Okay. Entino yentu eni enhwe mofra no na yenhwe kwan a ebeboa na yie beto yie enti sra na ebesrewo say they will consider or they will temper mercy with justice na one back to post whilst they keep negotiating with the government.
So what you want press release about until they are what's it 1 year ready so we call classroom.
I know that is why I'm saying the norm must be changed. Say obia political season bia na institution bia say a hard na menya won. I don't think it's the best because you have the whole period to do your negotiation. You get it. Into if those periods are
this year now one bisa from 2, 3, 4 years ago. One fair now 18 I feel it was okay. And you do about to the yes you be in a time.
One will say they are persisting in getting their issue resolved.
Yes.
Anka, well, yeah, sir, no political season. I don't think Anka the problem has been resolved. What's my But you see, Okobakwa waba betina. Okobakwa waba betina. Yen train political season ye benya won. But it's not the best. So what I'm saying is miniha say maybe cousin woye no wonga yade anani abanye no wa yade anonya de anani woye no won yade wonya de sere ni be sere won because yes obia oye adwuma no say onya na adwuma na kade ene inkransha e wa adwuma no no say den onya because to teach at that level. I'm a teacher because of them. You get it. Others are teachers because of them. He is a teacher because of them. Okay. And everyone can boost. Everyone can boost. The president, the lawyers, the doctors. Just name all the professions. But teacher taught them all. Intino, you best say, Abai, where dear, Adabraka, or July salary ne dear. You best say. Yefama won. Womrea wonso woriko was they are negotiating.
All right, what me that say? Conviction.
Yeah.
Sit down for or strike on call them. Since it was 1 July salary, no. And fair mama one boy for pound, but just sense was something.
Me that say. They make a chop and say, "I buy a member be a go my yehu." King Pharaoh. Na membu wo mbeto no ye woni history a 20 books ato kinago kwali ono nti na yan igwefo fa ho adwen se ye besa megbe a kire no sane se ni suban bia wodadi kire ne manfo no ese se Akufo-Addo pepepepepepepe ohwe kin Nebukadnezar Amambua who compared to Akufo-Addo there na difference bia enim enti Amambu eye leader no leadership leader no the odwuma ne manfo obi say there be constitution ma ho kwan say mene wo edi nkomo bi na wonti ase a ye okumo no nti ase a o se me ba bonti ma mpa ho say there be the hamini o so wo yes antiminti oka na ebedi na wo wodi sanipa no wodidi maybe so wo leader odwen ho a na onim said there wo ye no ebia ayew anyew obefra tu for say enye ni say na ye no asemi nti oka kra de oye no aye autocratic way of leading your people and nipa no ntwa ne kan ebedi na wadidi ebedi na watua e-levy amount a bedroom at the full on your tax. If you lack wisdom, you don't know how to lead this country. Share say uye ejuma na utia eto ma abaya, you don't have problem. Government will do. Enunti the America chomone say omo de ibesra ban na ode omo sara yamam. Say mpo on fa omo a omo nda so say on the 7th of January, about 1:15, John the man Mahama, make sure say, one is Sarah na yanto mamono. About you, the interest a camom. Tibi who piano. Nyarushamu say, would ye say these men Sarah are buying to Mawa? May make a show when say on the 7th of January, about 1:30 Muhokwana. Nyamyadom, Ubinya was our salary, no, July salary. 2024 no obi in 2025 January.
His Excellency John Dramani Mama.
Betu mamu.
Obi chese iska dem.
And say when say oman fa mamu sament we ya. The mama assume power obi tu eska na mamu as back pay. Sunny say you right say ombetwe tia and ombeko on demonstration. Moreover no eye ye mampeni otisu yi. Ye ban demonstration na or ye more than obia or ye a leader of a demonstration. But what am I say? Enunti me say aban de money nye na adwin say saa nneɛma no ɔno ɔnyɛ na de make sure no say otua o wontua o ɔno ntua bentia no sani say enempo no yɛ mo say 8 years in government aka based on few months I be take over we see the treaty manfo nipa no prepaid I ene akoso no bed no wetua obedi no de ma me hospital ene road to edi bayi woni mo omo a mo ye sabi o ma di dem a mo wuwu because omo nye juma biem woni mo badodo no woni badodo ewu anu nti media me nkasa bebre fast as they make an say you were a whole lot of package and they catch on say John the money Mahama and why your man penny down on no person show say or the 24-hour economy ever now with this 24-hour economy no enya dia wa wait cheni no obe djuma ba ko obet my djuma bebre obenya demand enu ntie ka chon say ene oni nyina onye mu volunteer no mu ko be bia villages na omunye house to house majom hama na mu to bentia ban boni we sani say oya abanya onjom ho so abanjom hwe wo wasidem to papa ene wo ole de otifie sika adwuma wa yam magana akọ na homu jemu kwano o mampeni akufado ni ba omia agini sika no da kosia wo wa ene wo pre de agise de mawo wo laptop krampo de mawo ni me de mawo si witimu wotin wo ni baboni ni adi na afri na wo ye campaign etiaban aye wo sika de ta de mawo no Jesus ko pachawo ase de mawo mai mu enu bi na chew say aye attorney general timi free witness twantro na mi fa asimesi we fa ko to jail nipa wo se otwatwa je wo no o che nipa ndo beka emako ahokire mu die kan ni say the rescuer John Dramani Mahama
medase confusion we shall high Okuma radio 97.1 MHz Okuma Ndewuru na wasungusu a uti aye de somo kama na sabide e ba bebie yem phone lines no eri atum na afei wa uti yensu wo fie wa hwe Facebook na afei wonso adwenchire bi wo uti no wo de aba bedum ye yaw sebe amekom ahimfie we say watching you live from Gospel Oak a barber shop inside Amokom Kumasi. Great show. Yaw Nyankopon enchawa men pede. We shall obeti my friend 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and I say 0270 191 971 0270 1919171 na fe adwintire bia wo a opesa won de ba djumadi ni so no ye ngatimi asum na afe ye gye wadwintire e de aboa eye djumadi no 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 1919171. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Pacho good evening na ka safi.
Ye fe Evangelist Aprekum Kazapitin.
Me pacho good evening bio.
Evangelist Aprekum Kazapitin.
Suhum.
Suhum.
Okay, Evangelist pacho che wadwene enko.
Era dinshira mo pa.
Ya dase.
Mi tie mo na. Mojume dia mudi era dinshira so mbo ma.
Yango bo insurance.
Na. Enzo ama phone ye. Ye mo den ya no be ya no be. Isi ani ye hwedia oba ye wo ye. Ene dia obetimi aye. Ene wo kasa ye de compare. Isi amehwa amaya na ye na. Enye o communication message out there ba. Nemo mia action ube show. Nti me no isi obi no be dada me say. Obi e bia ex-president Mahama onye ana ba oni anye. Me na ye citizen me hu ni e so ma brabo. Na measures na me to aba.
Okay.
Nti say obi aba onka de obeye. Ene dia waye na me compare na me hu dia. Me so me make me decision. Everybody shram na ye kasa bebrebe no. Ye Mahama ye say ba oni aye say. Me ye Ghana ni say we ma be for me sofo. Nti you be never convince me.
Okay.
Nti won kan okure. The event to.
Yeda se everybody nchira won so. Yeda se bebre pa evangelist Apreku ewo suhum se ujebre na obe do be kire wadwene. Ebusia won so betima frɛ na wa kire wadwene. 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 Friday video so now for engage wadwin chere. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
If I told you then I got something. Sami uso got something. North Tongue, Sami Pacho Chewajin Yanko.
Ghana for me more beyond that down more. And this is about busy. Mama over the president there. So at the president there. Oh, it's here and I don't know that. The woman in Jima.
Okay. Okay, Sammy. Yeah, that's a part. Okay, we shall still a little bit about phrase 0551 667 755 0551 667 755 and 0270 191 971. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. No. Honorable Nyante. Okay. Hello, good evening. Hello. No. Honorable Nyante. 1 minute. Yeah, you can wrap it up now. I'm sure Brendan Yasso.
Yeah, wrap it up. Na me kai. Na me informe Ghana for. Ne okoman etie for se. Ene. Omampenyi epaw. Biai a Ghana Police Service. Ese won adwumayefo. What do want ti eto?
Okay, ben your friend for my pick a last caller. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. If I told you then I can say Chia Hoka Krama, my own network in the Anton Papa. No, Yantonka, Michelle. Hello, good evening. Hello. Wow. I'm saying to me, fat course to be able to see and I had an idea of friend of ABC network, you know. Say yeah we honorable Nyante Bacho for anything.
Send an American no. And ne a bang apa biaya Ghana Police Service.
Me Bacho 1 minute. No. I was about to me pick course ni bio me sure mo ye bre na nya so. Nyankopon ya mo china onkomo bia wo ne betimi asan. Send
an American no. And a day. A bang omampenyi apaw biaya Ghana Police Service. One edge my fo edi wanti ebeto. In fact, I'm a product of police barracks. Me Martina Police Barracks for so many years. Oh, you unimo pebia. Opebia Accra. Opposite one baby I want to wafa one. You can say Ghana, yes. Metena ho make vacation a while na me kona me Anthony Crew police. Ne bounce be police a lances officer chiwono na oti ho. Na inshan Kenya me say I'm a witness to that kind of facility and now what team police ni sergeant inspector masa
one fridge
me mpese me use word bi oti asenye nyina gudan nim eto da bi krompa o ba ne de plywood porch wo masa ni egu ho
sardine
yame adom we nyina ko first we nyina ko kwabenya first face okay. The cars ni nya bi
nice
masa
nice
ya filio
nice
Ebeka so ti estate I say oti Reggie Emmanuel I say oti you know oti airport Charlie wow the edifice 320 units housing facility 2 bedrooms 208 3 bedrooms na minua anka kwan beba mu a anka mesani foni amaw na wayi wo yekas abefu Facebook na wona wu
midasi
projector on say okola ba ko kai o say enye kasa bebre o nia waye ene nia obetumi aye
midasi
minua
honorable Samuel Jesse Nyante research and
ye nyuma de wuro ya de o
director
ya badwuma ba me de manu si no
yes
enra me say MPC ye parliamentary candidate oba de o na eso eni ni nsem ni dimina ena the way all articulate or highlighting niema ya ye wo okremamu niema ya ye wo dew a ewu be hia se de akonya no ebe ma no na adwuma pa na honorable Damotwe ye no watumi atwa so ena nwomi kan o wa predi o kohwe apredi manyina agi bum eno de ogi bum na ebi apopo bibiri echi ebinom menu apopo bibiri echi ebinom a na nipa mpo esu etino ya hit grounds et mude mu fidin be di echi na mankasa makote masum ahumani so ne ekoso ene ne ye betumi aye abo okreman na okreman de unmi say ye krabetwe kohwe mi say yen kwan no fourth coat one do dew
honorable Samuel Nyante Jesse elections research director de ma MBV Amanyoko no work o say Eastern Regional Communication Team member Nyankopon yadom na okofi a sheda bo PC amane say Nyankopon yadom Sunday me birthday me ba be di oni fi o
Sunday your birthday obe welcome ododo obe welcome ododo
mi wo me no
enti wo so ukọ kremamu na for kremamu a nya obe hunu be kan saa be kan saa o ya hode ye mfa bi ye nche bi o be ye se be kan saa ya ngase fa be kan nya wo hunu be kan saa
conviction
the make cho ne say okay 24 years near MP for bedi amandu ko no yenya experience of having MPs you were honorable Fuzitobe and I were honorable Awet and yen near papa Dango Kubotri. Nambochi will be 16 years. With the Awet Jen Kawa, I had 24 good years. So we bampo no I want to go reinvest. No reinvest I could pay more infant. So we ban I want to reinvest. The air can say, I bidda, obey papa Jidin, obey papa Ateteno, didn't go school without scholarship. Obi papa no na paka nyin say me pese ube kreti adwuma ma me manfo ono na ye Prince Henry enim oredu. I can confidently tell you and now me nu kasa ne say 5:37 December nyame adu na tin kwama be fra me na maka say confident na kwa say ye Prince Henry enim oredu go winning election.
Okay.
Spiritually you winning na physically no it will manifest. Hwe o hwe yenjuma ye dia ye mpese be kire obi bebie edu na endra ye du kro bi so sa kro no na o hwe sa kro na nipa like etoba wo ho a ye nya himbia na nipa puaba na MPP branch chairman timecha say obetoba na ma Prince enu edu e wa ma hindie na chew say ye wo strategy ye wo policies ne wo nema ye de tutu kwan ma e be boyen ko be ti chicheku so ru chicheku a eye krobi a bibia ho bia no eye NDC sanu ne ko bi so bia na ntu bawudu ho a amuto betia NDC ene I'm very confident say ye to aba wo chicheku a nyame ya duma ye Prince Henry Nwedu njoma ma bi sani say ye policies ye niema e kire mo no ye mu say ebebe maman nyame be ye na ayɛ man yɛnyɛ obi a yɛkɔsom obi papa because ɔnɛ yɛnsum obi papa and we are telling you say bano even educational among those who want to contest in Okre Prince Henry anim we do stand tall ɛno nti yɛkyɛw sɛ nipa pa a wɔwɔ no na ɔyɛ contractor science sɔfoɔ a ne nsɛm nneɛma bebree akɔ bia bi hɔ nti deɛ ɛkyɛw ne sɛ nipa na yɛde ne ba no ɔnyɛ hɔhɔ ɛma kuro no na ɛkyɛw sɛ nyame yɛ adom a ɔne pa ɔmbɔ mu candidate yɛmbɔ ne din ɛnkɔ Yesu Kristo wɔ ɛnkɔbɔ mpaeɛma no deɛ ɛbɛkyɛw ne sɛ 7 December obelusu na Prince Henry anim wedu bɛfɛ no within 4 years no the people of Okre the youth of Okre behu ndwuma ani mpumtu a ɛyɛ Prince Henry anim wedu ɛbɛba Okre
midas nyankopɔn insurance confusion ɛyɛ constituency organizer de ma NDC amanyoko no san yɛ communication team member ɛwɔ Okre ɛyɛ constituency ha confusion culture Prince Henry anim wedu sɛ Sunday and birthday mebɛfie na afi yɛdi abom why abusia ha na brebe makwan na enede me as me programs manager na nakwan very ma fa na mere ne kakra dwumadi na ne extension kakra aha na brebe makwan ne yɛde okomanda uru no nyina aba no awieye executive producer Mr. Kwaku Boaten KBB afi me programs manager na nakwa me Imperi the finest production team a wɔhyehyɛ dwumadi maame K Brown Mark Faden okomambro na afi Zigby MCR and the entire production team our walk my ha. Miakasa midi jumedi wuchami meeting at the NK Auburn Pon. Yankopon enchira men preda. So jebre na oni mi edi jumedi edi boom. Yebeshia or chinebiu makramo.
Ayuko. Me mamunyina ayuko. Me makana for ayuko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubeti me from the finest and meme nyina ka chune me. Ayuko mre ye jumedi ofufuo bi kra eba wa kwemu.